Hostas are renowned as rock stars of the shade garden, but have you ever wished you could grow them in the sun as well? Well, you can if you follow a few simple guidelines. The trick involves 3 factors: which varieties you choose, exactly where you place them, and how you care for them. Some varieties of hosta do much better in the sun than others. Those with thick leaves can take more sun than those with thin leaves, which tend to burn. If you buy hostas at a local nursery, avoid those that show signs of scorched leaves. For sunny spots, choose hosta with yellow, green, or chartreuse leaves and avoid blue or variegated ones. Hostas with fragrant flowers tend to do well in the sun. They're all descendants from Hosta plantaginia, which is native to subtropical China. Nearly all hostas do well in morning sun. If possible, avoid planting them where they get a strong afternoon sun. Generally speaking, the further north you live, the more sun your hostas can take. While hostas don't like to be soaking wet, they do require constantly moist soil. The more sun they receive, the more water they'll need. Adding compost to the soil when you plant and mulching both help improve moisture retention. When you first plant hosta, you may find that existing leaves burn, but new leaves then acclimatize to their sunny location. Be patient and wait a full season before deciding whether to keep your hosta where it is. Among the most popular hostas for sun are the huge, thick-leaved summon substance, gold-leafed August moon, and fragrant guacamole. You'll find many other choices at the link below. While hosta are magnificent landscaping plants, they do tend to be deer magnets. To safeguard them from hungry deer, spray them regularly with Bob X deer repellent. Rated #1 in independent tests of leading deer repellents, it performs nearly as well as an expensive physical fence. It's safe for children and pets, won't wash off in the rain, and is 100% guaranteed. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.